Welcome to Asian Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install OpenCV for Python. OpenCV is a library for real-time computer vision programming. We can install OpenCV with the pip3 command. So I'm going to use sudo pip3 install OpenCV, and if you want OpenCV contrib module with it, so we are going to add contrib and Python and hit enter. Now it is installed on our system. I'm just going to clear the screen and run Python 3 and import CV2 to make sure it's working. Yeah, there are no errors, so it's working. It is CV2. Even though we are using OpenCV4, not OpenCV2, but there are two modules, CV2 and CV, so we are importing CV2. Let's see a simple example of OpenCV where we can load an image and convert from one file format to another. So I'm just going to import CV2 and then going to use CV2's method image read and save it in our image img. And just need to call CV2's method image read img read and pass in the image that you want to convert. I will name it pic.png and now I'm going to use CV2's method imWrite. This is imRead, that means image read, and this is for image write. And now we can pass the name of image we want it to be converted into. So this will be pic2.jpg format, and then I'm going to pass in our image, this one over here, and this is very simple. This way you can convert one image format to other image format using OpenCV. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.